We have visibility issues here across Southwest Florida right now as we check in. We've got visibility down to a mile in Lehigh Acres, and as anticipated, the fog is starting to extend and get a little thicker. Visibility down to 2.5 miles in Fort Myers, 3 Palmdale and Clewiston, and I do anticipate this to get a little worse here before sunrise shortly after 7 o'clock this morning. On the radar, not a whole lot happening. A couple of showers firing up here just off Tampa Bay, and throughout the day, a warm southeasterly breeze will push our temperatures up in the mid-80s, and you can see right now we have fog to deal with, but roadways will be dry. Temperature-wise, 72 in Punta Gorda. Our dew point temperatures are in the low 70s here this morning, and that is rather uncomfortable outside. It feels like summer when you step outside, and with fog around early, we'll see these temperatures go up to the mid-80s. Keep in mind, our average high for this time of year is 77, and we are practically there here this morning. So this big storm system that's bringing heavy snow across the northeast from Boston all the way back through Buffalo is going to continue to progress towards the east. And finally, the snow will let up from Indianapolis to Cincinnati later on today. And eventually this line of storms, which is bringing some severe weather through the Florida Panhandle, will arrive for us. A little closer look at some of these cells. You start to see some of this rotation, these little hooks showing up, and we have had numerous tornado warnings here along the I-10 corridor from Miramar Beach all the way through southern Alabama around Enterprise and Dothan here this morning. Now that line will continue to move through the Big Bend and eventually arrive here well after sunset tonight. We're looking at a window between about 10 and 2 a.m. as the southeast breeze will pick up today, providing plenty of moisture for this line. Let's get you right to the predictor model as we go throughout the afternoon. Those winds start to turn a little more south, and by 5 o'clock you can see the front through the Big Bend of Florida with some showers developing in the warm sector of the storm system. And as that front gets a little closer, we're anticipating that line to arrive here. We'll just kind of bullseye it around midnight, and then the moisture surges in from the Gulf. We'll start to see that rain move out pretty quickly, and all the way through tomorrow the clouds clear out and our temperatures drop. So if you're planning on taking the boat out today, there will be some sea fog here early. The winds will pick up and turn out of the south near 10 knots. And today will be near record heat once again. The record for this date is 86, so we'll be very close. And then tonight, 69 degrees at midnight. Watch what happens here in the 7-day forecast. After hitting 85 today, we will see our high temperature at midnight. Temperatures will fall all day Wednesday, and we'll eventually see those temperatures in the low 50s by 5 p.m. tomorrow. And that cold air is going to stick around for at least a couple of days before the next storm system brings an increased chance of rain here for the weekend.